Hi, welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. The video is on vertical column vanilla cultivation or intensifying vanilla farming. Is vanilla farming profitable? Vanilla is valued all over the world for its profitability. Vanilla extract is the second most valuable spice after saffron and is the world's most popular flavor. One can earn $6,000 of a meter or $60 million per hectare or 1.5 billion Ukrainian hryvnias per hectare. Vertical column vanilla cultivation. More intensive cultivation under shade structures can increase yields. This system requires more initial investment for infrastructure but allows for increased planting density and yield potential. Trellis support systems vary greatly but are generally made of vertical wood or concrete supports with a wire running between them. Supports vary in height but are usually no more than 2 meters or 6 feet tall to facilitate pollination once vines mature. The post and wire system allows for greater control over vine spacing compared to tutor trees. Vines will need to be maintained on 15 to 20 centimeters or 6 to 8 inches of a mulch substrate. Propagation. Vanilla is primarily propagated by cuttings. It is important to let cut sites heal prior to planting by leaving fresh cuttings at room temperature under low light for 1 to 2 days. All other factors being equal, the longer the cutting, the more quickly the vine will establish and begin to flower. Cuttings that are 30 centimeters or 12 inches long will generally require 3 to 4 years to flower, while meter-long cuttings should flower in 2 to 3 years. Cuttings can be placed directly on top of the growth substrate mulch from various sources as soon as the cut sites have healed. Misting will help vines retain leaves and support the rapid development of new roots and shoots. The apical end of longer cuttings can be tied to a support post with only the distal 1 to 2 nodes in contact with the substrate. Leaves should be removed from nodes that are in contact with the growing substrate. Tissue culture. Vanilla planifolia plants are available from a few companies. Tissue culture plants are attractive as a clean source of starting material but will take 3 to 4 years to mature and flower. Tissue culture plants received in enclosed containers will need to be hardened in the soilless mix under humidity domes and bright indirect light for a few weeks to months before they can survive in an environment with lower humidity and free-flowing air. Regular light misting will increase the survival of young tissue culture plants. Production methods. Vanilla vines require trellising to maximize production. Two major production methods are used. One uses tutor trees to provide both shade and a suitable structure on which the vines can climb. Tutor trees can be selected based on hardiness in a given location, availability, and co-cultivation considerations. This type of cultivation can be less expensive in some areas and also naturally reduces the risk of vine death by fusarium by increasing the distance between plants. Growers in southern Florida should consider vanilla as a secondary crop on existing fruit trees. Spacing and planting. An estimated 1,000 plants per acre is often used for establishing commercial vanilla. Spacing recommendations are to plant vines 1 to 3 meters or 3 to 10 feet apart with 2.5 to 3 meters, that is 8 to 10 feet between rows. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share the video with your friends. And if not subscribed to our channel, subscribe Discover Agriculture. Have a great day.